Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from GMC to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tether, USDT, from GMC, an emerging exchange, to the powerhouse platform Binance, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both GMC and Binance. You'll need some USDT in your GMC wallet and the exact deposit address from Binance. Start by logging into your GMC account. Head over to the Wallet or Assets section, select USDT, and click on Withdraw. This will open a form where you'll enter the withdrawal details. Next, switch to Binance. Log in, go to your wallet, and find the USDT deposit option. Copy the deposit address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify it's for the BEP20 or ERC20 network, depending on what GMC uses, to avoid any hiccups. Back in GMC, paste that address into the withdrawal form, specify the amount you want to transfer, and review the network fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to minimize costs. Once you're ready, hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. In 2025, with faster blockchains, this might take just a few minutes, but it depends on network congestion. Keep your devices secure. Use two-factor authentication everywhere to protect against scams. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your USDT. Remember, always test with a small amount first if you're new to this. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.